Hi there, everyone. I'm on my way to my winter vacation destination, but it's a long 3 hours flight, and I'm feeling a bit bored. What I really want to do is to play. So, how about we play a fun game together? Do you remember the difference between thick and thin? Yeah? Let's quickly refresh our memory. Thick means that the inside of something is fat or big, and thin is the opposite. It might be skinny and small. Remember, thick clothes keep us warmer than thin ones. Now let's get started with our game. I've got some phrases here on my game board, and you can play along with me. The first phrase says, the sweater is thicker or thinner than the t-shirt? What do you think? What do you think? Thicker or thinner? Thicker or thinner? Yeah, right, it's thicker, of course. A sweater is thicker than a t-shirt. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? The turbulence just made the letters ER fly off. Oh, that's so cool. I'll try to get them back. Oh no, they're too far. Oh, look. Oh, what a nice robot. Hey, can you help me to get those letters back? Thank you! You are the best! Oh, all set. Okay, let's move on to the next phrase. The next one says, her globes are thin than mine? Oh, wait, here we don't have any other option. But I don't think this is okay. There's a mistake. Can you spot it? Yeah, that's right. Thin. Thin should have ER to become thinner. Let's ask the robot to generate the missing letters. Please, robot, can you give us the letters ER? Because the right sentence is her globes are thinner than mine. Oh, I love it. We fixed that one. Now on to the last phrase. Let's read together. The winter coat is thinner than the summer jacket? Oh, wait a minute. Something's not right here. Do you know? Have you noticed it? I give you some seconds. Where is the mistake? The winter coat is thinner than the summer jacket? You are absolutely right. It should be the winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket. Oh, oh. Hey, robots, where are you? Phew, it's back. Now, can you generate the word thicker for me? Yeah, because that sentence has a mistake. Great! Can you see now? The sentence makes more sense. Let's read it. The winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket. Not thinner, but thicker. Great! We did it! I had so much fun playing with English words. Thanks for joining me in this cool game.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hi kids! Let's keep working. And again, this time with the adjectives comparatives, okay? But remember that the other day we worked with thick and thin? Today we're going to transform them into adjectives we can use to compare different things, okay? Not just one, but more than one, all right? Let's see the example here. This blue sweater is thick. The blue sweater is thick, the inside is fat, so we feel warm, right, in winter? And this blue sweater is thicker than the red one. This one, the inside is thicker than the red one, okay? So, we have this exercise with these two adjectives comparatives, thicker and thinner. And we have these sentences that, look, I have some pens, colorful pens that I brought into this exercise because I love painting, okay? And you can paint the letters if you want. But let's just start reading the first sentence. The big book is getting as I turn the pages. The big book is getting thicker or thinner as I turn the pages. It's getting, if I turn the page, it's getting thinner, right? It gets small and small at the time I read it. So the word that I need to put here is thinner. The big book is getting thinner as I turn the pages. Let's write thinner, and I'm going to do it like with the same type of words, like this, and with this beautiful purple. Be thinner. THI double N and R. Great. And I think I'm going to, as these two are in orange, I'm just going to paint this beautiful T. Let me see. Yes. Thinner. I love it. Big book is getting thinner as I turn the pages. Well done. Now let's go for the second one. The sweater is than the t-shirt. Okay, here we have a clue. Look, we have sweater, and t-shirt. So you can guess that the sweater normally, often, is going to be thicker than the t-shirt. The t-shirt will be thinner, right? So let's choose that word. The sweater is thicker than the t-shirt. Let's go and write T H I C K E R. Thicker. Great. And what? Now, yeah, let me take the pink color and paint it with that one so it will look better. Great. It will look better. Super. THICK okay, ER. Great. Now let's go for the next one. My jacket feels a lot after I took off my sweater. My jacket feels a lot thinner after I took off my sweater, right? Because I have less layers. So that is the word. My jacket feels thinner. Let's try that word. Thinner. Great. After I took off my sweater. And now I'll use the blue. Great. The blue color, and I paint all these letters inside. Fantastic. Now let's go for the number 4. The paper in my notebook is getting with each page I use. The paper in my notebook is getting thicker with each page I use, right? I have a notebook and I keep writing and adding pages. So that means the notebook is going to be thicker, bigger. So let's just write that word. Thicker. And this time with the green one. Nice. I like to see my pages, my workbooks full of color. That is great. That is great. Super. Now let's go for the number 5. Oops, some ink on my finger. Woohoo. The number 5. The winter coat is than the summer jacket. Again, another clue. The winter coat is what? Thicker, right? Again, is thicker than the summer jacket. In winter, we always wear thicker clothes. So let's go for that and write the word thicker. And yeah, this time with the red. Fantastic. With the red pen. Super. And finally, the soap is getting as we use it every day, right? The soap is what you use to wash your hands, right? In the bathroom. And if you use it every day, it gets what? Thinner. So let's write that word. Thinner. Thinner. And again, this time I'm going to use, I'm going to start and end with the same color, orange. Fluorescent orange. I like it. Okay. Great. Nice. Fantastic. There you go. Good job, people. Hope you liked it.